Hello all. Today we'll discuss some useful problems for Olympiad exam. Okay, these problems will be helpful for the students up to 6th class. Okay, now the problems which we are going to discuss is related to numbers. Okay, there are two numbers. Okay, there are two numbers. One number we don't know, and other number is twice of this particular number. Other number is twice of this particular number. So first number is x and second number is 2x. And what is the product of these two numbers? That is 450. Okay, the product of these two numbers is 450. Then we need to find both numbers now. So to solve these type of problems, first we need to know what kind of inputs we have to solve this problem. Okay, first number is what? X. First number is x. Okay, second number is what? Second number is twice of first number, so it is 2x. 2x. Then what is the product of these two numbers? That is 450. 450. So here we have x and here we have 2x. So what is the product of these two numbers? 2x into x means what? 2x square. 2x square means what? It is 450, because the problem what was given, the product of the two numbers was given as 450. Okay, 2x square is equal to 450. Then what is the value of x square? X square is equal to 450 by 2. Okay, so 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, and what is left over? 1. So 5. So x square is equal to 225. Then what is x? X is root of 225. Root of 225 means what? It is 15. Why 15? Because when we multiply 15 and 15, what value we will get? That is 225. Okay, so x value is what? 15. And what is the value of 2x? That is 2 into 15 means what? 30. And we need to verify whether really our answer is correct or not. When you multiply 15 and 30, you will get 450, because 15 3 is 45. And what is the leftover value? 0. So our answer is correct. The first number is 15 and the second number is 30. Now we will discuss one more problem which is related to numbers and its values. Okay. So now the question is, find the greatest 4-digit number which has all the different digits. Okay. So greatest number means what? Because we know numbers, digits are from what? 0 to 9. 0, 1, so on 9. Okay. So how many digit number we want? We want 4-digit number. We want 4-digit number. So what is the highest, when you say highest 4-digit number, definitely the 1000 position number should be 9. Okay. And what is the condition? That all the numbers of that 4-digit number should be different. That means unique. So what is the next highest number? That is 8. And what is the next highest number? The highest digit, that is 7. Okay. And what is the next highest digit? That is 6. So 9876 is the number which was formed using the digits 0 to 9, and that was the greatest number which has all the digits unique. Now we will discuss one more problem with respect to the divisibility part. Okay. We need to find the numbers from 1 to 100. 1 to 100 which are divisible by 7. Which are divisible by 7. Okay. So there are many methods to solve this problem. Okay. What is the highest number? Highest number is 100. So when we divide 100 with 7, what is the quotient we'll get? Quotient will get 14. Okay. When we divide 100 with 7, we'll get the quotient as 14, because 14 7 is 98. Okay. When we subtract 100 minus 98, what value will get? 2. So 14, we have 14 multiples of 7 in between 1 to 100. So how many numbers divisible by 7 between 1 to 100 means 14. Example, the first multiple of 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, okay, so on, 70. This is the 10th multiple of 7. Similar way, 77, okay, next 84, next 91, next 98. 98 is the highest multiple which was which is divisible by 7 between 1 to 100. This is the way, if any range is given and divisor is given, then we can find the number of numbers divisible between the range using this divisibility method. Thank you all. This way we can, just by applying simple logics, we can solve any type of logical problems, okay, in efficient way. Thank you all. Bye.